And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a response from Prime Minister Andrew Holness about the non-certification of his statutory declarations by the Integrity Commission.
Responding to questions by TVJ News at today's post-cabinet press briefing, Mr. Holness says he too is concerned that the documents had not yet received the stamp of approval.
Jamaica Maitland reports.
It's the question many Jamaicans had been asking.
The statutory declarations have not been certified by the Integrity Commission. You know, the implication of this goes far and wide. Why hasn't it been certified, and does the public have anything to be concerned about?
Prime Minister Andrew Holness on this occasion had a response.
I too am concerned that they have not yet certified them. They have written to me asking various questions. I have provided answers, and they have written to me again, and I'm in the process of providing those answers.
Every year, public officials who earn above a certain amount must ensure that they submit documents to the Integrity Commission to explain their wealth. It includes their assets, liabilities, and income. However, for the past 2 years, 2021 and 2022, Prime Minister Andrew Holness's statutory declarations have not been certified by the Commission. Mr. Holness said the Commission has requested additional information and he intends to respond to them by the end of the week.
You will, however, appreciate that it does take some time, and particularly for me, to get 2 or 3 days to go through matters and provide answers. I simply have to be very frugal with my time.
The Integrity Commission's gag clause prevents it from speaking on matters publicly. For Prime Minister Holness, he says his silence is out of respect.
My silence should not be interpreted as not wanting to address it, but I do have another role, and that role is to protect and to defend the institutions.
The opposition has, however, argued that it sends the wrong signal. Notably, opposition leader Mark Golding's declarations have been certified. Now, the country eagerly anticipates a similar response from the Prime Minister.
I'm hopeful that they would do their work and provide the nation with the necessary certification.
But will it satisfy the Integrity Commission? Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.